Are you the Uber?
Yeah, ayy. I'm just trying to make it right. I ain't taking no advice. Only see me take a flight. Moving up, I'm at new heights. Now we are not alike. Man, I'm sick of being nice. I remember dark times. They was cutting off the lights. Yeah. Pay the price. I ain't your type, nah. And we still working late at night. God damn, what a life. One shot, that's on sight. Used to drive delivery and now they wanna take a slice. Yeah. Every day, yeah. Put the work until I'm patient. I'm trying to stay rich. Never getting no replacement. Never complacent. I ain't even trying to preach. God, I'm saying amen.
Conscious.
I didn't come all the way to Vegas for straight clip-ons. Ooh, wee! You said a little bit. Oh, I see. It's broken.
The throttle cable?
Yeah.
No fucking way. Yeah, that is snap.
It's just scary. Yeah, I'll be fine. I was gonna wheelie it and shit, but she's just like, what's that?
I was still telling you.
Yeah, I'm just scared with the throttle not as responsive, you know?
Either way, you gotta dump it at like 12,000.
That's what I'm saying. You dump it, it might not stay undumped. We are with your boy Christian. We're about to mob this Ninja 300 rental with the bent clip-on and broken throttle tube / cable. I'm a little excited. Oh my gosh. The front end clicky. You see that? Welcome to Vegas, people. We're on the Ninja 300 I just grabbed from some random dude off Instagram. Shout out to Christian. He's on his Gixxer 1000 that I'm actually grabbing from him later on after our ride. I'm out here for Rock 4.0 press release event. We're going to be doing a meet and greet with a bunch of people. I guess it's invite only, so I'm not quite sure who's all invited, but I'm excited. Hey, we rhyming in this beat. Yee! This Ninja 300 has a bent clip-on, a broken throttle cable, so it's very sketchy. The front end's loose and clicky, but my man Christian hooked it up on the fly to get me this bike, so super thankful, and I'm just glad to have a vlog out for you guys today. Woo! Oh, he's flexing with that 1000. He's on an 07 Gixxer 1000 minus side fairings, but thing looked pretty solid. I'm excited to ride that thing later. But let's talk about this helmet I'm wearing right now. This is my first ride on the 4.0. I had a unboxing video like 5 a.m. Before I went to the airport, which didn't actually work. Oh shit! Damn, 40 cents higher than Florida. Yikes. Oh! Oh my god! It's slippery out here. I don't have any knee pads on right now, so I don't want to wash out. I just did like the nastiest drift taking that turn. Yeah, I shifted to second from first, making the turn. It was like skirt.
No one ever rides this bike.
I kind of tell, man. This is like Fear Factor or something. I got to get through the snickle fritz before I can ride the main girl. Yo, appreciate it once again. I don't care what I'm on, dude. As soon as I got on the bike, I was like, yeah, let's get it. You gotta make her feel special, you know? Gotta get that getaway juice in her.
I'd rather run on her.
Yeah?
On the freeway.
Oh my god. So we're hitting the Scenic Blue Diamond gas station. I got the ABS light, the oil light, and the neutral light. I think because it's only off right now. Oh, now we got all the lights. So like all of Vegas uses like this like super smooth tar blacktop, and it is so slick for the tires, people. So if you're out here riding, be careful of that, especially if your tires aren't warmed up.
I had a remote on it, but it flew off.
You got a lot of stories. This guy's 20 years old, already seen the world. Oh, he's got riding shoes on, all official. I'm on a Ninja 300 with some fucking Vans. Living my best life, son. Yeah. There's like no windfall right now. I'm so hyped about this 4.0, people. That's the first thing I'm noticing. You got the vents up top over your head so you can actually close the vent. It's chilly, but I'm doing good. We're doing real good. I got the engine hog jacket on, by the way. Oh yeah, I don't think he can lane split in Vegas, but we're close enough to Cali. It's alright. Trying to catch his ass. Yeah, we're in Vegas, baby. man, put her down like 80 something. Wow. Damn, he's doing 100. Look at him go. Woo. My guy does not use the rear brake either. A proud man. There you go. Yeah, we're doing like all 90. Cars are just cruising. This Ninja is upset. Yeah! Let's go! Let's gang with it. I got nothing. The Chevy looking like it's on some rims up here. Let's sculpt the wheel. Man, it wasn't on some rims, but it's having power. Let's talk cannabis. Just kidding. So this is his girlfriend's bike, and her dad actually is the one that wheelied it and made the modifications to it. It rides, man. You gotta tighten these up. That's like one of my pet peeves, having the loose steering neck. Wow, look at this view, people. We got the snow mountains up top in the back. Can't get enough. Oh, I see a mutt! Just dogging through the Vegas city right now. Woo! Still haven't tried Dutch Bros. I'm a failure. So this bike's kind of uneventful, but we're gonna be riding the Gixxer 1000 soon, so I'm hyped. I think that means filter. Go around these peasants.
Just so you know, lane splitting's illegal here.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But if we do get pulled over, you run, I'll stay behind, and then I'll leave.
What if they start chasing me specifically?
I should find a way to deal with them.
Yeah. Look at that view. There you go. Boy, I'm talking about. We out here. Well, he's out here. I'm spectating. Man, I could not imagine just having a 300 only. Oh, I gotta get a head start catching his wheelies. What we got here? Okay, a little Ferrari action. Okay. He took off. Oh, Vigil! Don't say he's gonna say it. Hope he says it.
Okay, you have that.
Oh, you want the 300?
Yeah, you have it.
Okay. I gotta get used to this thing. Oh shit.
So she looked ugly from this.
I think she looked real good with all this power under her.
I said first gear is a little torquey.
I like second. Second's more up my alley. This thing got the straight clip-ons. You're spoiling me right now. Are you gonna do the same wheelies on that?
We'll see.
Hydraulic clutch on this thing. Oh yeah. An older 1000, man. So nice and responsive. No electronics in the way. Just as I suspected. This thing pulls. Yeah, let's go! This thing is sweet. Oh, the mirror's moving. This bike is full of so many surprises. So I was like, I can't get the mirror straight. It's just doing its thing. Man, if I had my tool set, I'd be fixing this thing up for him and giving him back his bike with some stuff fixed up. Welcome to Vegas! It's already filming! Do something cool! Yeah! Oh, this is so fun, man. I don't think my brakes are working on the foot brake. Alright, we're gonna have to use this man's tools. I see you with the Superman.
Oh yeah. I don't even think it's these. I think it's just that.
Yeah, you just need to bleed it one time, maybe. It's a really easy bike to wheelie as far as the stability. You do have a little play there. That's good though. When you got like a powerful bike, you want a little play. That way you can have a little room for air.
It feels like that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You gotta tighten this.
With the spanner wrench or something?
Yeah. Take that off, pop the triple off, and spanner wrench it.
I don't like it.
Oh, our group's leaving. Gixxer woolies. A Scorpion. It might sting you. Shout out to my dude C Stunts for letting me ride the Gixxer while he takes one for the team on the Ninja 300. Oh, I can just feel the back tire scooting. This is sick. Woo! Snow, boy. This kid's living in paradise right here. These brakes are not good for speed. This is sick. Sick, sick, sick. looking at this. Wow, this is sick. It's like the Wild West out here. Flash flood area, who would have thought? What? She was starting to die up a little bit. Alright people, we're in a secluded spot with a nice view. You already know what time it is. We'll talk to you in just a few.